Thank you.
We all love saris, but we always search for some occasion to wear them. So here I come with some ideas. We can wear saris according to our moods. Here are the 5 looks that I have created for you guys. For this look, I am going for a bossy vibe. So I wore a black pants and a shirt which I tucked inside. Now you need to make some pleats and tuck them inside. Just leave the length that you need for your pallu. For the pallu, put it on your shoulder from front as we generally do. You can add some jewelry like I have wore a golden choker, and definitely wear a boots to make it look more bossy and edgy. For this retro vibe look, we need a polka dot shirt or a top and a scarf. I am wearing a shirt which has flared sleeves. I also wore a sari like we normally do. Now take a scarf and put it on the top of your head and tie a knot at the back side of your head. And here's the complete look. This is yet simple but looks very nice and different. For this look, I wore a long shirt dress on my sari and I wore it in 2 ways. So for the first look, button the shirt from the top and take the pallu like this around your neck. You can also wear some chunky jewelries like I did, and I layered jewelries. Here's the look. You can either wear it like this For the second look, take some cloth in your hands and tie it like this. And I also buttoned a button for making it look more clean. So here's the look. It looks really nice. You can definitely wear it with your friends for a party. For this look, I'm going for a happy vibe, and who doesn't love music? So I wore a big logo t-shirt written music on it and tucked it inside. Now take the pallu from the back and roll it around your neck, like you can see in the video. Now you can also wear some shoes. I also wore headphones and plaited my hair to make it look more cooler. For this party vibes, who doesn't want to wear a sari in a party without a pallu hanging around in your hands? So for this look, you need to put the pallu on the left shoulder and take the end of the pallu on the right shoulder like you can see in the video. Now take the end of the pallu, put it behind and pass it again on the front. Take some chunk of cloth in your hand to pass it under the sari to tie the knot like you can see in the video. So the sari will be on its place. You can also wear belt around your waist like I did to make it look more party wear. Enjoy the look. I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel